Hello, guys. So we're using my air gun and we're gonna shoot smoke bombs.
No, we're not gonna shoot them. You don't know what we're doing. I haven't told you yet.
Oh,
so,
right.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is, I saw in a science magazine that if you fill the air gun with smoke and then blow it out, it might make a smoke ring. So that's what we're gonna try and do. I'm gonna try and make a smoke ring.
Okay, can I light one?
How about you do the second one? First, let's just focus on, wow, these are cheap. Let's just focus on trying to see if it works, rather than who gets to light it, okay? So hold up your air gun. Wow, these are so cheap, I'm afraid to even use them.
Those on fire, you like.
Yeah, don't worry about that. That's your job's the air gun right now, okay? Okay, smoke's going in. Now, nice, see, it does smoke rings. Look at that. Pretty cool, try another. Not at me, not at me. Try another smoke ring.
Oh, I did one.
Pretty
cool. Can we
cool.
do a white smoke ring?
Okay, let's try a white one.
I'll catch this one.
Baby, Matt, you're not really old enough to play with matches. The fun is that you're doing the air gun, okay?
Okay.
This thing these are really cheap smoke bombs. This thing just about burned me last time, so let's not worry about who's striking a match, okay? Pretty darn, see, look, you might even be able to get another one. I wish you could see it better. I don't know how to make it to where you can see it any better though, unless you're inside, and we're not going to do that because it would stink up the inside. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. This is gonna be awesome.
But Beckett, not yet. Here, let me fill it with smoke. Let me fill it with smoke. Turn it to me. Turn it to me. Now you're talking. All right, toward this way. Yeah, go ahead. Maybe not toward the house. It has like 1 foot to go. There, you see, that was a good one. Nice. Oh, it's stinky. It is stinky. Here, let's see so you can watch it. Can you see them at all? There's not much left. Hopefully it's not going to make your gun stink too badly. Okay, cool. Well, now we know that it works. Maybe, I'm trying to think whether we'll be able to see it any better at nighttime. I'll have to think about how the best time would be to actually watch it.
What do we do with this?
Well, this is a popper, okay? So I'm going to let you pull this. Hold it in one hand, pull the cord with the other, and aim it out that way, not towards me. Woo! Pretty cool, huh? That's pretty neat, huh?
Party!
You want to do one more?
Yeah.
Make sure you aim it away from, yep. You goofball.
Party, people! Oh.
Can you get it?
Oh my.
Try and yank it. Really yank it, like.
Party,
Make it. Whoa, Beckett. Make sure. Be careful you're aiming it. That might be hard to do. Whoa! All right, now let's do one more thing here, and these are called snakes.
Oh no! I know what snakes are.
I don't know. I don't know if Grandma.
Would appreciate it.
Right. So we might need to do it in the desert instead of on here. Normally you do it on the concrete, but I don't want it to be messy. So let's go out in the desert a little bit.
We're in the desert. Oh no!
All right, it's not that exciting. That's the thing about snakes; they're actually not that exciting. But I've always liked them. They're subtle. See, they just kind of grow out. You see how it's growing?
Yeah. They look like a... Ooh, now it looks like poop. It's like growing out of the ground like a ghost.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. Going out of the ground like a ghost. Does it like never stop in your life?
It will definitely stop in my life.
When does it stop?
What's that to see? It's already getting a little thinner. See how it's getting a little thinner at the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Badoo. Yeah, I like it. Let's do that. What you're doing. Here. Yep, step on it, make it ash, and blend it in.